Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Friday, July 8, 2022. Yesterday was a strong day for the markets. The markets gapped up and took off to the upside, closing up near the highs of the session and also near the highs of the week. And this morning, we are awaiting the NFP report. That'll be out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. And currently, we're trading right around yesterday's close as we await that release this morning. So what we'll be looking at this morning is the NFP report day. What has happened historically when you open within the prior day's range on NFP report day in a similar market environment. So let me go ahead and get that set up. I'm going to grab all four instruments here. The setup's based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, I have no idea which way we're going to be opening this morning. We're currently trading right around yesterday's closing price. So today I'm just going to use an opening area, open within the prior day range. I'm going to hit equals right here next to open in prior day range. So that means you need to open below yesterday's high, but above yesterday's low. We are currently there. Who knows where we'll be at the actual open, though. The release could take us out of that range, but that's where we're currently at. And then the next thing I'm going to do is go to the indicators library. I'm going to say yesterday closed below a 200-day simple moving average, and I'm just going to use the 200 for this because I want to keep as many samples as possible. And then lastly, in the market events library, I'm going to say today is the day of the NFP report. That comes from our market events library. I'm going to grab it right here, the very top option in the active today. Active today is telling you what of our events are true for today within each of the libraries. So this one is true for today, the non-farm payrolls report. It's out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. All right, now I'm going to click on View Results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when it is NFP report day and you're opening within the prior day range and the prior day closed below a 200-day simple moving average. Historically, we've got 27 samples in the S&P, and that is dating back to 2003. For the NASDAQ, there's 30 samples. There's 30 samples in the Dow. There's 39 in the Russell. Win rates on them are all coming in a bit weak. You've got S&P coming in at 30% of these have closed above the opening print for the day. For the NASDAQ, it's 37%. Dow, 40%, Russell, 49%. So strongest one there is just about neutral. If we look at the average moves, average win in the S&P is larger than the average loss. That's just barely the case there in the NASDAQ as well. That is also the case in the Dow. Russell has a larger average loss. So 3 of the 4 have larger average wins, and all 4 of them have win rates that are skewed a little bit lower at a minimum, and some of those quite weak, with S&P being the weakest of the group at 30%. So historically speaking, this day has been a more bearish day, dating back to 2003, when you're opening within the prior day range on NFP report day and below a 200-day simple moving average. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.